Now mommy gets one, okay?
So we always thought Lily was the bossy one.
Lady's turn. Good girl. Man's turn. Are you gonna let mama get ready? Oh, yes you are. Yes you are.
Sit back and just know. Go to dinner and know what happened. And so, Brianna, that's the big thing with I'm not being abused.
You need help? Maybe Oliver will help you? Oliver, help your brother get out. You gonna help your brother?
Let go. Let go. Here. Here.
Hey. Yes. Yes, look at my toe.
You'll never have a boyfriend.
That's enough, Shane. That's enough.
You like your shoes? Sorry.
Gorilla doctors from the mountains. Fetching vets from beyond the great walls of Uganda. And rangers from Murchison Falls itself. Julian has brought along a secret wisdom. It's quite remarkable, it's a...
Subscribe now.
Are you gonna go save brother? This is hilarious. I should be helping you instead of taking a video. I will help you, but this is just too much. This is too much. Is he gonna help you or eat that? Oh, gotta take a snack break. Oh my gosh. You silly goose.
Hey, you gotta share.
Are you doing it?
Not nice, no.
No. Stop. Don't you frown at me. You smile at that. Okay? All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, it's Mama.
Get it from her, Isla.
Cameron, you're not gonna share? I'll take it from him. And give it back.
Beautiful, beautiful.
I think everything.
Emma.
And the fight is on. Uh-oh.
Give me this up. Here.
Come here, let's see that. Come here. Come here. Are you mad because they took your wine? You know what? You're mad? Are you mad? Okay. Here's your wine back.
Can you say puppy? Puppy.
We're gonna like make them some mashed potatoes.
I never thought of it in terms of making it or not making it. It's weird. I would get this thing when I would come down to the ring, and I'd be coming down.
Okay, Connor, Mommy has to drive. Can I have your lollipop? Can I have it and we'll give it back?
He's like, no, no. You are such a nugget.
I've had a structured settlement and I need cash now. Wentworth, 877 cash now. 877 cash. Let's see what happens when Mommy takes it. Oh, you really do like it. Here you go.
You guys have to share. You have to share.
Instantly chill.
Sam, you gonna try to take Nathan's spoon again? You better give it back to him.
She makes herself so mad when she takes it out.